Hey YouTube family, what's up? This your boy Ray Mack from Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Look y'all, today what we're gonna do is we're gonna fry up some chicken legs. On this side I got some small chicken legs, all right here. Now on this side, these was like some large chicken legs that I went and I split these legs up. I'm gonna show you these legs in a minute as soon as I season them up. So let's go ahead and season these babies up right now. So I got some salt, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, some paprika, some lemon pepper, some olive oil, and some hot sauce. Now what we want to do now is just mix this all up real good, because this is going to cause our seasonings and flavors to dig into these here meats, all right? So I'm going to roll my sleeves up, and we're going to go ahead and just mix everything together. And I'm going to start with these small legs first. Now as you can see how small these legs are. So they're pretty small, okay? And for these larger pieces of legs, go ahead and mix these up, all right? So I want the flavors to get all in this here meat. So with the larger legs, I took a knife and I split it against the side of the bone on each side here. And I butterflied the legs, all right? So that the legs, so when I cook these, the legs are cooked evenly and it won't take long to cook, because I don't like cooking jumbo legs, y'all. This is what I've done to it. So the next step that I'm gonna end up doing is basically gonna go ahead and get my fryer right for this. And from there, we're gonna go to the next step. So don't go nowhere, stay tuned and watch this video to the end, all right? And let me know in the comment sections how you like seasoning up your fried chicken. And I'd like to go ahead and give your recipe a try. Give me the process of how you do it. As you can see, I like to get the seasonings all through the meat. Every bite is gonna have flavor. So stay tuned and don't go nowhere. Okay, y'all, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use some of this here chicken fry mix, all right? And you can season up your own flour if you like. So I'm gonna use 2 brands. This chicken fry mix right here, you can tell that it got pepper in it, because you can see the pepper flakes in it. That's one reason why I like this, since I'm gonna use this all up. This is some good stuff here, y'all. I love frying up some good pork chop and chicken wings in this. So another thing that I'm gonna use, I'm gonna add to this, is gonna be some of this Louisiana chicken fry. Just wanna put some of this in it. That should be enough. Now I just want to mix all of this together, combine it just a little bit. Now if you like, you can make you some of that batter out of this right here, some wet batter out of this to dip that chicken in, and you be ready to go. So I'm not gonna do the wet batter. Matter of fact, I'll do some wet batters on a couple of pieces, but I'm just gonna do a deep fry on the other pieces. So I'll show you the best of both worlds with a wet batter and just a plain mix. Whatever you do, don't go nowhere, because you're gonna miss a good chicken recipe. Let's go. All right, y'all, so right now I got my fryer set up to get ready to fry my chicken legs. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set my fryer at 350 degrees, and then when it comes up to temp, we're gonna be ready to go. So thank you so much for being patient with your boy. Let's roll this thing, y'all. All right, y'all, so we about to fry up this chicken, and this is what we're working with. We got Leah, she up in here doing this thing. We're getting it done, y'all. Making everything look good, hoping that it tastes good. So she battering this baby up pretty good, y'all. This is nice. Hoping that it turned out golden brown. Now we're going into this oil at 350 degrees. We're not using no baskets, even though the baskets come with this here new unit, y'all. So we're just trying this out for the first time, seeing what'll happen, hoping that we can get some good fried food up out of here, but we're gonna mainly use this for fish. But we got chicken in here right now, just seeing what we could do. Y'all need to try this recipe for real. So how many pieces is that now, Leah? So we got piece number 7 going in, and then we got piece number 8 going right in the grease. So right now we're gonna get us about 12 minutes to cook, and then we're gonna see what'll happen from here. So y'all look, stay tuned, don't go nowhere. And thank y'all so much for checking out Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. So we just frying up some legs just to see how this cook will cook. Hopefully we can keep it moving. Don't go nowhere. right, y'all. So look, this that second batch. The second batch looks even better than that first batch. No lie. Each piece that I pull out right now, I'm talking about, look at that split chicken. Man, that's cooked in the, I'm loving the color and crustification on this one. That's that Chef Ray word right there. Not this Ray, but it's another Chef Ray on YouTube. He used that word, crustification. Look at that right there. Yes, sir. Boy, we looking good. We are looking somewhat kind of good. You can use anything. Yes, sir, boy. Y'all look at this fried chicken. Tell me what y'all thinking. This that second batch. This looks better than the first batch. It does. Looks so good. That's that fry me up on a good turn. All right, y'all. Be back. So y'all tell me what y'all think about these wings right here, y'all. These are that garlic parmesan wings. And I mean, they smell so good right now. Give me your thoughts. Now these right here are the saucy jerk wings. Same as those other ones, they smell so good. Yes, Lord. Let's go. We got turkey sausages. Look, if this is what you want, this is what we'll give you. Somebody wants some smoked turkey sausage. So look, I gave you grilled smoked turkey sausage. This is what you want, this is what you get. Please hit that subscribe button right now. Love and not hate. Peace.